Good morning, YouTube. How you doing on this fine day? Except it's not morning.
Oh, is that good afternoon?
Couple things. One, this is going to be a therapy. Well, not a therapy vlog. I'm gonna do woodworking.
Therapeutic for you.
Therapeutic. Thank you. That was what I was looking for.
Yeah.
Not gonna be doing a whole lot of talking. I forgot that I also just have a mustache. For those of you looking at me like, why the hell does that guy just have a mustache? Shave everything. I'm growing it back, trust me. Beard's coming back. We got new carpet in here. You see that?
It looks great.
Looks fantastic. Let me give you a view of the room. It's a little, like, it's not dirty, but that,
Cluttered, I guess.
yeah. So I got everything in here.
Hopefully he takes care of that cable.
I gotta take care of this down here and then this over here. But today, going to be a woodworking slash, I don't know if I'll get to painting.
Painting.
Those,
Painting?
yeah, no, painting legs.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if I'll get to that or not.
You finally got the legs for the chairs.
Yeah, for my dining room table chairs.
It's been a year.
Probably not even pointing it at myself. It has been, yeah, a long time coming. I bought them. Broke down, bought them. It was like, what, 100 bucks for a set of legs. There was a lot of welding that my dad probably didn't feel comfortable doing. My dad can weld, but you had to bend a lot of metal or cut it properly, and then it was a mess.
The thing is,
So we ordered them.
It's like everyone always says, if you want things done, you should do them done properly the first time.
Yeah.
And not that we don't trust him because he did the table.
No, he even said it though. He said, you know, if I do it, they're not going to be perfect. Where these are
Manufactured.
probably machine did them, if not someone that literally does it every day. So, but I'm gonna take you outside. We're gonna do some woodworking, some sanding. This isn't your type of vlog. I've said it before. Sorry, but it's, you know, just put some chill music in the background and get to work. I was gonna show you this. I was excited about it. Like, I think the last time I did a vlog, did I say I bought carpet? We've had it for probably like 3 weeks, right?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah,
Probably almost a month.
probably a month. We've had carpet, and then we had a family friend come and take care of it for us this morning.
Yeah.
So, but get to work. Okay, I think I told you this last time, but walnut boards, not good to breathe in. Probably should do this for every board I do, but the walnut's worse. It can create mold in your lungs or something like that. So just, if you're doing this at home, make sure you're wearing a respirator or a mask like I am. Let's get to it. I only got like an hour, and then we're going to dinner, so let's get at her. Okay, so that is pretty much done. I hit it with 80 grit, and then I hit it with, I hit it with 40 grit, and then I hit it with 80 grit. When you're doing epoxy, 80 is pretty much all you need, because the epoxy is what you feel. You don't feel the table, but as far as smoothed out goes, there's a little, I think I talked about it last time, but this planer, I don't even know where it's at. The planer that we have, it leaves these grooves. I wonder if you can find, see, there's one right here. So I'll have to go back and fix that, but it leaves these grooves right here, all right? This is the end, but it's not straight, so it doesn't matter. It's gonna be probably cut like right here. I'll have to get this out, but I don't know why it leaves those grooves. It's a hand planer, not like a obviously big. There's no way, you'd have to have an industrial sized planer for this bad boy, but yeah, that's probably good with me. It's my dad's table, so he'll be the judge of that, but man, this slab looks absolutely beautiful. When you put epoxy on, it's like a clear coat, just brightens up all those colors. This slab is gonna look wonderful. I think we're gonna call it good here. Short vlog, I know. I have to go to dinner pretty soon, so yeah, just wanted to keep you updated on this. My shop is still an absolute mess. That's what that planer does, just leaves a bunch of those wood chips everywhere, or just shreddings basically. Yeah, so what a beautiful slab. Now, you're probably not wondering this, but A, I had my camera set up over here. B, I was sanding on this side because this bark it's not gonna stay on there. This is gonna be the inside, so he'll have this on it, and then its counterpart, so there's two slabs, its counterpart has the same branch area that will be flipped, so it will look kind of like this, and the river will flow obviously through it. But this is the outside, and he doesn't want to bark. A, it's falling off, like you could glue it back on, but B, and if I would have known this when I did my table and chairs, I did my bench this way. If you leave this bark on, it A, weakens it, which I haven't had a problem with, but B, it makes it super sharp. All this stuff gets super sharp when you epoxy it, and it's just it's a risk, you know. I mean, I don't see anyone cutting themselves on my bench, but it does get pretty sharp, and I wouldn't ever want someone cutting it on my bench. But that's it. Just want to keep you guys updated on that. It's been a project, nonetheless. He's gonna come over probably tomorrow and get this one out of here. We're either gonna paint. I'm probably gonna paint stuff first in here, and then I will put another slab down, or I'll finish up his other slab before I get my chairs. But I really gotta get my chairs done. So hopefully the chairs are next. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys being here and supporting me in what I do. This thing's hurting me. I'll see you guys next time.